The Ohio gerrymandering case took another step forward in the U.S. Supreme Court today. The ACLU of Ohio filing a response to the state's request 2 weeks ago for a stay of the ruling ordering new districts. News 5's John Kosick has been following this case right from the start, and this was more than expected, right?
Yeah, these court cases they have anticipated chess moves, I'll call them, a choreographed dance, with only that final move, the ruling from the Supreme Court, the big unknown. When a three-judge panel in federal court in Cincinnati ruled the state's congressional districts were gerrymandered by Republicans for the benefit of Republicans and ordered them redrawn, it was just the opening shot in this back and forth. The court called for those new districts to be submitted by June 14th. The state, in appealing, though, asked for a stay, arguing the Supreme Court's upcoming rulings in similar cases in Maryland and North Carolina, which will come before the end of June, could impact Ohio's case, so why not wait? Justice Sonia Sotomayor giving the ACLU of Ohio until today to submit their arguments why a stay should not be granted. This afternoon, they did, saying the state can't prove any harm that comes with simply getting the process started.
There's no need to have a stay of the court's order because this is just a proposed map that the legislature would be enacting. This is just a step, a preliminary step in the redistricting process. So there's no harm to the state in going forward and beginning work on this plan.
The state argued even if they had to redraw the new districts after the high court ruled by the end of June in those other cases, it'd still have plenty of time to do it before next year's elections. The ACLU argues then that's the time that can be used for necessary tweaks.
And there's plenty of time then to apply whatever ruling comes out of Maryland or North Carolina later after the court rules.
And the lower court also ruled earlier this month that if the legislature fails to come up with new districts or on their own or ones that simply don't comply with the ruling, the court will appoint a special master to do it. The Supreme Court is also dealing with a similar situation in the state of Michigan as well. John Kosick, News 5.